This is Pistol Duel and Old School Pistol Duel. We're going to hit two birds with one stone. This crossfire, free-for-all, 5 minutes we're going to do. Just in case we actually hit Old School, and we're going to put this on Miniscule. Now, for this, for Old School Pistol Duel, you will need a microphone to tell each other what we're going to do, where you're going to do it, and that. For us, we're going to do it right on this road. So, we're going to do it right on the road. And the normal Pistol Duel is pretty simple. You're going to make it into a larger, you can use as many players as you want. It's just the Old School Pistol Duel is 1v1. You can make it into a tournament if you want. You can do really anything with that. You can do teams and everything. Like, have 3 people run one way, 3 people run the other way, and then you all fight each other right on the road. The only thing, our problem is, we need more people. Now, we're going to demonstrate the Old School Pistol Duel right now. Okay, Lethal, come over here so you have room to run. You're lagging bad still. You guys usually get back to back, sprint 1, 2, 3, and you're usually far away, like about 3 seconds. You're about this far away. You can fire hip shot. You can go like. That was purely luck. That goes to show you that I'm lucky. That's pretty much it. I know. I was saying it's their choice if they want to zoom in or do hip shot. That's what I was trying to tell them. I want to see it. You're lagging bad on that. I was surprised that the bullets actually hurt. Usually when you're lagging they don't, but like 3 seconds, just sprint 3 seconds away and then you can shoot each other. Now watch that. That was a nice one. That was purely luck though, for hip fire. That was really rough. That's like Pistol Duel. You guys just fight with pistols. That's simple. You can use your own rules for this. It's just we're giving you a base, like sprint 3 seconds, and you can zoom in. You make your own rules for it. Shooting that like an automatic. Nice. But this is pretty much it. These are simple games. They're one of the later, harder games, like Troy Backslash is a little bit harder. We need more people though, so please message us if you have Call of Duty 4 and stuff. He's lagging way too bad for him to actually beat me, because usually he beats me at this stuff. Like, right there I would have been dead normally. Yeah, that was pathetic. He was trying to get the game. This is pretty. That's pretty much it. All you guys do for Pistol Duel is that. Read the description for more in-depth things about it. basically. You gotta remember, I've had way more experience than you. It's just easy. That's what it is, dude. No, I'm saying, for when you were running across, I'm good at shooting people. I was like right about to die. True. I don't know like if you're good at that anyway, so I can't wait till this lag is gone, cause then we can have a real good match. But that's pretty much it. It's simple. Do it yourself.